Hello, Ru.
No.
Wait, come here. What's that, Ru?
It's truck.
Wow.
It's a transport.
Where did you buy it? Where did you buy it?
In the palengke.
In the ukay-ukay. Ang galing. Let me see. Sa kanya, Ru. Ooh. Come on, tell them more about it.
It can also carry a car.
So nice, Ru.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Show them more. What does it do?
Even it can load cars and then it can also put back here with the hole. It can also put here back and then when it's like that it can do like this.
Wow.
See? Then we load cars and go back to lower. And when it's like that